Welcome to a brand new feature I like to call Reseller Tip Tuesday, your weekly 2-minute boost to help you sell smarter on eBay. Now, whether you're just starting out or trying to level up your reselling game, these quick tips will help you list better, sell faster, and of course, grow your reselling business. Now, as this is video number 1, we are starting right at the very beginning because, well, let's be honest, doing the basics well is, it's really, really important. And you may be sitting there watching this video thinking, well, I want to get into reselling, I want to try using eBay, but I just don't know where to start and it all feels a little bit overwhelming. Well, then these series of videos are perfect for you. Now, once you've set up your eBay account, which is obviously step number 1, there are 3 core things that you need to make sure that you do really well with every single listing. And that's set a good ranking title, take good quality photographs, and have a good description. And in today's video, we're tackling the first one, which is setting a good ranking title. Now, a title is probably one of the most important parts of any listing because it's the first thing that a potential buyer will see when they search for a product on eBay. They'll go onto eBay, they'll search, they'll press enter, and eBay will present them something called best match search, which is full of listings that meet the buyer's search criteria. So having a good quality listing title will make sure that your listing stands out above all the competitors and will hopefully mean that the potential buyer will click on it and go and look at your listing. Now, you have 80 characters to fill. Now, my advice is to use them wisely and use them all. Don't fill your title full of punctuation marks and emojis or filler words like and, if, the. Don't do that. And don't have a title that's all capitals because we don't need to be shouting at buyers. The key thing is to make sure that your title is full of accurate, descriptive keywords that accurately describes the product that you're selling, because it's these keywords that eBay's algorithm, Cassini, will use to rank your product listing. Now, it's worth pointing out that the first 4 words in any title are the most important. Fill these with your primary keywords, and then the rest of the title can be your secondary keywords. So let me give you a bit of an example so you know what I mean. Say, for example, I'm selling this Samsung A12 mobile phone. It's black, it's got 32 gig worth of storage, and it's network unlocked. An example of a really bad listing title would be, really nice mobile phone in black. It's Samsung with 32 gig storage. That's just a really bad title. But a good title would be Samsung A12 32 gig black. Then you can use network unlocked, Android 12, dual SIM, excellent condition. That's a title that is full of descriptive keywords. Now, it might not read like a sentence, but that's okay. It just has to accurately describe your product because the key part in any title is to get your listing ranked on eBay. So using descriptive words will mean that there are more words for Cassini to look at and to rank your title and your listing. Now, there are a few key things that you can do to give yourself some inspiration when setting titles. Firstly, have a look at some sold listings and see what titles have been used there. Also, look at live listings and see what titles are being used there. But a good thing to do is put yourself in the shoes of a buyer. If you were searching for this phone, what would you put into eBay? And that's generally a really good place to start. But also remember that a buyer may only type in Samsung A12 into search and press enter, but eBay gives them the facility to use filters to narrow down their search. They may be able to select filters on storage size, color, network orientation, SIM orientation, and cosmetic condition. So that's why it's really important to make sure that your full title is full of primary and secondary descriptive keywords. So when somebody uses the filters, it matches your title and you have more chance of being found in search. Do all that consistently on all of your listings and you will stand a much better chance of potential buyers clicking into your listings and converting sales. Next Tuesday, we're going to be looking at taking good quality photographs and what you need to do there. So if you've enjoyed this video, give it a quick thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow along with this little series of videos that I like to call Reseller Tip Tuesday.